Hey guys, today I'm revealing every YouTuber's secret weapon, an automatic bot that finds the hottest topics in your niche from the past few months in just seconds. Imagine this. Instead of wasting hours searching and guessing what to film next, you just run a bot, and boom! It gives you a ready-made list of trending topics, sorted by views. Sounds like magic? Nope, it's real. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see how it all works. And make sure to subscribe, cause there's a lot more awesome content coming your way. Alright, first things first. Why should you even bother tracking trending topics in the first place? Here's the thing. A lot of creators make the same mistake. They film what they find interesting or what they think is important. But that's not how YouTube works. The algorithm pushes content people actually want to watch right now. In just the past couple of months, trends could have completely changed. What was blowing up 6 months ago might not get any attention today. But fresh, up-to-date topics? That's your golden ticket to millions of views. My bot tackles this problem head-on. It automatically scans videos from the past 60 days in your niche, filters out shorts, unless you want to include them, that's an option too, and sorts everything by the most viewed. And get this, you'll see exactly how engaging each individual video really is. So what you get is the real picture. The topics that are actually blowing up, not just the ones that seem popular. It's like having X-ray vision into the YouTube algorithm. You know what happens when you start making videos on trending topics? Your content shows up in recommendations way more often, because the algorithm gets that you're making stuff people actually want. It's not luck, it's a system. The second powerful way to use the bot? Spying on successful channels. And yes, I do call it spying because it literally works like intel gathering. Here's the deal. When you see which videos are getting the most views on your competitors' channels, you start to understand their strategy. Not to copy it, that would be dumb, but to figure out the principles behind their success. For example, you might notice that a successful channel gets the most views when their titles include certain keywords, or maybe they stick to a specific content style, like tutorials, reviews, or bold, provocative questions. My bot doesn't just show you popular videos, it shows you popular videos with the metrics. You get the exact view counts, you can compare different channels, and really analyze what's working and what's not. This is especially awesome for beginners. Instead of spending a year figuring things out through trial and error, you can understand your niche in just a week. What titles grab attention, which thumbnails get clicks, and what formats people actually prefer to watch. But the most important part, you start thinking like your audience, not just like a creator. And that completely changes the way you approach content. The third level of using the bot is automating your content planning. And this is where the real magic begins. Most creators waste tons of time just trying to come up with video ideas. They sit there, stuck, scrolling through other channels looking for inspiration. Then they finally make a video and wonder why it flops. With the bot, it's a whole different game. Each week, you run an analysis, get a fresh list of trending topics, and boom, your content plan is basically done. All that's left is to shape the ideas to match your own style. But that's not all. The bot doesn't just help you find topics, it helps you find winning topics, the ones that have already proven themselves with the numbers. You're not guessing if a topic will work. You know it's already killing it for others. Plus, regular analysis helps you catch trending waves early. Spot a topic that's starting to pick up steam? You jump on it fast, make a video, and ride the trend before the competition even shows up. Time saving is a whole topic on its own. I used to spend 2 or 3 hours a week just looking for content ideas. Now, it takes me about 15 minutes. Run the bot, check the results, build the plan, and all that extra time, I use it to level up my filming and editing. The result? More high-quality content, less time wasted on routine, and most importantly, videos that actually click with your audience. Now let's see it in action. I'm going to show you the bot's interface and walk you through a real analysis. Alright, so we've got an initial trigger that launches 2 branches. In the first node, we connect our YouTube account and run a search for a few videos. Here, we can set how many videos we want to process. These are the data we get from the videos we found. We'll use this info for further processing. In the next node, we make a request to pull even more data from the videos we found. You can download this workflow from the link in the video description. And again, we're using our YouTube account for authorization. Here's where we get the data we need. For example, video tags. Or the video duration, which we'll process later. We also have view count, number of likes, how many times it's been added to favorites, and the number of comments. The next node converts our counts into actual numbers, so we can work with them more easily later on. And now our data looks like this. We're also passing along the IDs of the channels we pulled the videos from. The next node filters out any data that doesn't match our criteria. These are the kind of data we'll get. Here, we can set the minimum number of views to sort the results. For example, I'm only including videos with over 20,000 views. Here, I'm filtering to include only videos longer than 2 minutes, which automatically excludes shorts. Here, we keep sorting the videos and also add their thumbnails, which we'll use in the final Google Sheet to make everything easy to see. In the second branch, we simply create our Google Sheet. In the next node, we pull data from the Google Sheet we just created, like the spreadsheet ID and the sheet ID. In the next node, we merge our data together. Our data gets transformed into a single array of objects, with the necessary fields from the Google Sheet added in, so we can automatically upload everything back into our sheet later. The next node removes any unnecessary data from the final object, the stuff we don't want to upload to the Google Sheet. Next, we do some final formatting on the end objects. Then we upload the data to the Google Sheet. The last one formats our document. Now let's fire up our bot and see what data we get. In the end, we got this sorted list of videos. Here, we can check out the full video title to analyze it. See its thumbnail. Get the video link. The video description. A link to the channel that posted the video. Here, we see the number of views. We see the number of likes. Number of comments. We can also see all the hashtags used in the video to analyze which tags it was promoted with. If you found this bot useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and grab the workflow link in the description. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.